Well, hello, I am Ryen and I'm going to explain the firmware section. First, we initialized the DST pin and the DST type. Here, the DST pin is connected to pin 2 and the DST type is type 11. We set the baud rate to 9600 and here is the first serial print, which is DST final. We also set two functions to read the humidity and the temperature. Float H will read the humidity and float T will read the temperature. And in the float F variable, we will read the temperature by passing the true argument to ensure we are reading the temperature in Fahrenheit, not some other variables. And here we also checking if the values are not in number. Basically isNaN is checking if the values are not number or if there is any error, and based on that it throws the error failed to read from DST sensor. We also put two variables to see if the temperature is in Fahrenheit or Celsius, and here we print the temperature and humidity. Now I will run the code and we can see that the code is running fine.
Hello everyone, I'm Farishta Kabir and we're going to talk about the virtual circuit of our data logger system. In the data logger system virtual circuit, we can see there are 5 components in general, including a small resistor, the DHT11 sensor, a virtual terminal, and a computer interface module, along with the most crucial part, the microcontroller Arduino Uno. Now that we have made sure that all the components are connected accordingly in the right pins, we are going to upload the hex file from the compiled data logger Arduino code. Here we can find the path from the compiled Arduino code, and we're going to upload it in the microcontroller by copy pasting it. Now that we have uploaded it, we are going to simulate it, and after simulation, in the virtual terminal, we can see the readings of the temperature and the humidity, which are giving us the default values 80 and 27. And if we increase the value to 82 or 84, we can see that the numbers are changing accordingly and giving us the proper reading, which is telling us that the data logger system simulation is working perfectly.
Hello, I am Arman Hossain. Now I will describe the lab view part and also I will show the simulation of data logger system that we made. Firstly, let's jump into the lab view part. Here we made the same interface that were done in the video, and we also added the extra IDs on the table that as we instructed. Now I want to briefly explain the block diagram part of this project. Then I will move to the simulation part. Um, Here, as we can see, visa resource, visa clear, and visa open, and these are mainly related to comports, and it gets the inputs from the Proteus part. And we can see there are two visa reads. One is for temperature and another is for humidity. As we need to show the output on graph, we need to convert the strings to the number, so we used a string to number conversion here, this part. And these inputs are going directly to the table and it gets saved here. And since we need to show our ID on the table, we are used constants here, string constants as our IDs. And lastly, this whole loop runs with an interval of 500 milliseconds. Now let's simulate the whole circuit. As we can see, we are successfully getting the inputs, and that's all from us, and that is the very end of the video. Thank you very much for staying with us and have a very great day.